Hello everyone, this is Boris from airtravelingtips.com. Thank you so much for your support. Welcome to my new channel. I can't wait to share with you all the tips, airline tips that I have for you when you travel. It doesn't matter if you travel for leisure, for business, 3 times a week, every day, or once every 5 years. I've been a flight attendant for almost 20 years and I have seen everything, and I thought, and not really. There's always someone that takes a trophy for the worst passenger of the day. But I want to share with you a lot of stories, but mostly tips when you travel. A lot of you may know some of these tips, but I assure you, some of you have no clue, and that's just going to help you when you travel a lot, especially those of you traveling from the U.S., going from the U.S. to anywhere, or coming to the U.S. There's a lot of things, a lot of new rules. Rules change every day, airline and government rules, and I'm here to share that with you. And just to make sure that your flight is not stressful at all, so you can have a comfortable flight with no problems wherever you're going. You can ask me anything you like in the comments. First of all, please subscribe, and like this video, and so this way I can give you all the advice, and I can answer all the questions you may have about air traveling tips, about flight attendants, about airlines, about truth, myth, things that you have no clue that really happen up there, and I'm here for you. I'm here for that. So please subscribe. Once again, my book, The Common Sense of Flying, is coming out, guys. I cannot wait to share that with you. It's a must-have guide before you travel, but you're gonna have a lot of fun. There's a lot of stories from all my years doing this job. I'm sure that you're gonna laugh and actually not believe some of them. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for way more tips. And thank you once again. This is Boris from airtravelingtips.com.